Hello, gorgeous.
This might single-handedly be the most beautiful piece of technology I have ever owned. I have waited 10 years for this. My very first YouTube video was about an Apple product. Little Adrienne would be crying right now, knowing that she gets to test this bad boy out and keep her for an extended but likely limited amount of time.
Just look at the beauty. Are you kidding me? You might be wondering why purple.
I mean, why not purple? Exhibit A, Exhibit B. I just like purple.
Not gonna lie, it was actually very hard to pick a color because all of them are so good. And I got to see them in the flesh at my very first Apple event that I was ever invited to. Again, 10 years ago, Adrienne would be just crying and screaming and absolutely going insane. Actually, current Adrienne was going insane. To say I'm grateful and lucky and happy is quite the understatement. The only thing better would be if I was wearing a purple jacket.
But honestly, Adrienne, enough gushing. Let's unbox this bad boy. Welcome to my new apartment. As you can see, things are absolutely not done or settled, which is why it's taken me an embarrassingly long time to unbox my brand new M4 iMac. But today, it is finally time.
Okay, I suppose I should probably clean off my desk because it's gonna go here. Okay, yeah, let's do that. Okay, here we go. Oh my God. Ooh. Oh, she's heavy. Oh yeah. Cannot believe I let this sit in a box for 2 months. What is wrong with me? I don't even know the best way to open this. Oh, I think I'm supposed to go like this. Oh my God, look at this. Oh, yes, this is unreal. Okay, it's time to turn on the computer. I'm very excited. I am so not used to this and it's so cool. So far, nothing too crazy exciting, but I do love that it comes with a matching keyboard and mouse. That is so nice.
The only thing really not doing it for me is this mouse. It's cute, it matches, we gotta love that. But your girl is putting her hand on this mouse 12 hours a day, every single day. And this is just a hard bean. I need my ergonomic mouse, all right? It's good for the wrist, it's comfy. So sorry, Apple. I can't with you, but I respect you. So now it's telling me to turn on the keyboard and the mouse.
I don't see any, oh my God, that on button is so small. I could not even find that. I'm gonna get my mouse pad because I don't like the sound of this like scraping. I feel like that's not good for it. I assume this will be somewhat the same like setup as the other computers.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Trying to like film for social media and for YouTube is so difficult. Also, my phone case matches my new computer. It'll just be nice because I used to connect my MacBook to like an external monitor and now I can just use this. I'm quite excited. It's taking me through kind of the normal setup like internet and all of that, which honestly, you probably don't find that interesting. I'm gonna do the rest of the setup off camera and then when it comes to actually customizing it, I will see you soon.
Okay, I've done the annoying setup and now comes the fun part, customizing the laptop. The desktop. I'm not gonna even lie to you guys. I'm so much liking the way that this looks. I don't know how much customization I actually wanna do, but a couple things need to happen. One, I already have ugly screenshots on the desktop. So let's just make a new folder. Hello? Let's put like a cute little emoji. Obviously the purple heart. Great. And we're just gonna drag these bad boys into there. Okay, the second thing I like to do is actually customize that icon. I've done this so many times before, but we'll just go through it again. So I'm gonna find a purple PNG that I like. I'm so indecisive, so we're just gonna choose a random one for now. Yes, how about this bow? Ooh, I like this CD. Drag it to the desktop, open it up. Click edit copy, and we're gonna right click on the desktop folder, click get info, highlight the actual folder icon, and then Command V to paste. It's that easy. Lord, that looks good. May as well do it to this one too. Bam. Wham bam, thank you, ma'am. Okay. I'll leave my hard drive as is. Now let's look at the wallpapers that it comes with. Again, normally I would customize a wallpaper at this point, but you guys, I just love these so much. Like, I don't even want a different one. But for the sake of the video, let's look. So they obviously come with a bunch of really cool wallpapers, but the ones that I'm most curious about are the other beautiful colors that this iMac comes in. They have their own backgrounds too. We got the silver, we got the blue. Ooh, that's stunning. Purple, obviously. The pink is very cute. Very vibrant, looks really good with the purple. We got orange. When I say I almost got the orange computer, I almost got the orange computer. Seeing this background makes me pretty happy that I didn't, just because it's a little bold for my liking. I worry I'd get sick of it. We got the yellow. That honestly, I want to eat that. Looks like a fresh treat. Green would have been perfect for St. Patrick's Day. And then we have these older ones that are cool, but you guys, I'm just gonna stick with the purple. Maybe I'll rotate it in and out with the pink. For now, no. Okay, when it comes to widgets, I have to be straight up honest with you guys. I'm just not really a widgets on the computer girly. I'm just not. Probably because my desktop is always filled with whatever screen I'm using. I never really actually see the desktop. That's kind of problematic, but it is what it is. We ain't gonna force it, you know? Okay. I do want to talk unique features, all right? This computer has some things that other computers don't, or else why would they make it? When I tell you, my jaw was on the floor the whole time I was at that Apple event learning about each and every one of these features. My jaw was on the floor. Here are my top favorite features. If we're being honest, what truly sold me were the brand new colors. They were so stunningly beautiful. And the new camera features on this computer. But Adrienne, why the heck do you need to care about the camera on your desktop? Let me show you. Watch and learn, guys. So the new camera, pretty elite. The only way to truly show you this is to FaceTime call with myself. So here we are. As you can see, the camera follows me around. So as I move, the camera moves too. That's pretty epic. Secondly, there's a new feature called Desk View. If you click it and you point your computer basically down as far as you can literally show people what is on your desk. Watch. So if I'm like showing you this pen and being like, guys, which pen do you like the best? On like a Zoom call or a FaceTime, or look at my pink headphones. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Guys, look at my new nails. You can zoom it out. Nice crotch shot. I mean, the fact that the camera is still looking directly at me and it's also looking directly at my desk. That was the first feature that I got shown at the Apple event, and oh my God, they had me. They had me from room number 1. Such an easy sale. Let's see if they have this on Photo Booth. Throwback to middle school with these photo booth effects. Am I freaking kidding me? So cute. In terms of other new features and exciting features, we've got the new nano texture glass display option, and it came with this little wipe with the Apple logo to wipe her down when she gets dirty and smudged. It's the only safe cloth to use, and I love that. These Macs are seriously built for entrepreneurs, small business owners, creators. It just has a lot faster processing power. Content creators can edit like never before, which is definitely what I need. I usually use my MacBook Pro because it's a powerful one, but I've straight up been editing on this and it has been so smooth. There are 4 USB-C ports in the back, which is super nice. And maybe one of my favorite features of this computer is that it's just better for the environment. The stand is 100% recycled aluminum and 100% recycled gold plating, as well as the whole circuit board is made of 100% recycled materials. Apple has been making such headway towards being carbon neutral by 2030, which is their goal. Today, Apple is carbon neutral for global corporate operations, and they plan to be carbon neutral across its entire carbon footprint by the year 2030, which I think is so important and so great, and it makes me just want to continue supporting Apple.
So that is my new iMac. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If I missed any cool features, let me know. Subscribe if you want more Apple videos. I just got an iPhone 16 and I'm about to post an unboxing. So stay tuned. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Mwah.